quick little video. I didn't know that when I first started. What I know now, what I should have known before. Distance. Why distance? So that you concentrate how long it takes for the bar to spin round. Okay, first thing, keep your head away from the bar, but hands close to the bar. Why? It's only because you concentrate on how long it takes for the bar to come round. If you do miss it with your hands, your head is not going to get it. So distance is one thing, height is another. When you do start off, keep the bar just above your eye level, so just round here. Why? It's only because you can avoid the bar easier, so that you don't need to travel much for you to avoid it. And when you do get comfortable with it, take it as low as you like. What I intend to do, keep it on my chin level. And then when I'm boom, boom, boom. Okay, so that's the second thing, distance and the height. Third is think about your stance, which stance you fight. For instance, southpaw is think about the hook. I would start the bar here, so 1, 1, 2. That's why I say think about your hook. Whatever combination you do, the bar needs to travel this way for you to